Arabic descends from a proto-Semitic language stemming from the Afro-Asiatic language family and thus contains many pro-Semitic features. So how old is really Arabic? Nabatean Arabic is a presumed dialect of Arabic spoken by the Nabataeans, a northwest Semitic language. They were a Semitic tribe that emigrated and founded a kingdom centered around Petra in what is now known as Jordan. The oldest known inscription in the Arabic alphabet was found at a site located near Iran in Saudi Arabia and dated back to 470 AD, reflecting a composite of Nabatean and Arabic writing. The Nabatean Arabic text is thought to be the first stage of Arabic writing. Nabatean alphabet was initially written in Aramaic language in the 2nd century AD, when Aramaic was a language of trade and communication. It then developed into two forms, one intended for inscriptions or monumental Nabatean, and a more cursive form with joint letters for papyrus writing. It is believed that the latter form is what gradually changed to become the Arabic alphabet. Nabatean is therefore considered the direct precursor of the Arabic script. In fact, one of the earliest inscriptions in the Arabic language was written in the Nabatean alphabet and was found in Namara in Syria and dated to 328 AD. Inscriptions in Old Arabic are very few, and linguistics presume that the earliest attested stage of Arabic language begins with its differentiation from related Central Semitic dialects in the Syrian desert in the early 1st millennium BCE until the emergence of the Arab grammatical tradition in the 8th century CE. Old Arabic was originally written in a variety of scripts, such as Safaitic, Hismaic, Dadanitic, Greek, and Nabatean after the demise of the Nabatean kingdom. There were several dialects of Old Arabic itself. The numerous inscriptions found in Wadi Rum desert in southern Jordan show the very early development of alphabetical writing among the inhabitants of the Arabian Peninsula. Wadi Rum was used by the Nabataeans as part of the trading routes, but it's largely known today because of the work of Lawrence of Arabia with the tribes of the area in World War I, and the 1962 movie Lawrence of Arabia, which was partly filmed there. This inscription, which is a burial monument of King Imur al Qays ibn Amru, is written in the Nabatean Aramaic script and found in Namara in Syria. However, there are ambiguities in the script, since there are only 22 signs, some with added annotations, and the Arabic dialect had 28 or 29 consonants. The script has ligatures between some letters that show a transition towards an Arabic script. And here is the original tracing and reading of a Namara inscription that was published by René Dissot in 1905, although the exact translation is still debated.